Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm called Lamaro Proscovia, and in this video, I'm going to take you through how to use a Google Meet, whereby a Google Meet, this is a video conferencing platform developed by Google. It allows people to hold online meetings, video calls, and webinars directly from a browser or a mobile app. So we have some of the few key features while using the Google Meet. We have the video and audio calls, whereby high quality meetings with the screen sharing and live captions can be done, and you can also record the meeting, like record the sessions of the meeting, and you chat. Maybe the participants can chat and share their reactions using the Google Meet. So I'm going to show you through how to use the Google Meet. We're going to go straight and open our browser. Since I've already created my account and signed in, so we'll click on the browser to maximize it. I have my account already. Now click on it. If maybe you're not happy, you're going to type it here. meet.google.com. Then you sign in if you are not having an account. Since I have my account, I'll come to this 9 dots, click on it, then I'll choose Meet. After clicking on it, we have two options here. You'll have a new meeting, then you'll have enter a code or a link. So if maybe a meeting had already started, maybe for a certain group, and you're in that group and the meeting is already going on, you'll find that they have sent for you a link. So all you have to do is to enter the link here, then you join the meeting. From here you click on join. So since we are not having any link, we are creating new meeting. You'll click on it. We have also 3 options under new meeting. We have create a meeting for later. When you click on it, you can send like the link to the people you want to meet with after saving it. So the second one is start an instant meeting. Like maybe you've agreed on the time and you want to start the meeting at that exact time. So everyone is set to do the meeting. You will click on instant meeting, then you start the meeting at once. Or you're going to schedule in the Google Calendar. Here you just schedule everything using Google Calendar. So I'm going to show you how to start an instant meeting as we wait for it to load. So when you want people to join the meeting, you can add members from here. Maybe if you click on it, you're adding the members. We have other members here. You can suggest to invite them from here, or you enter the name or the email. For example, if I want JPO coursework@gmail to join, I'll just tap on this, and it shows a blue tick. Then I'll send the email to this person. Means I'm inviting the person to join the meeting. So we also have different options down here. Maybe if you're the person presenting, you can tell people to turn off their mic from here, and if you're talking, you put on the mic from here. And in case you've not understood anything in a meeting, or you have something to clarify to other members, you can click on this. You raise up your hands from here. Definitely, the person who is raising up the hands will be shown here. Then you'll be given the opportunity to maybe add on what you want to say. And here we have the number. You can easily click on it and see the number of people who have joined the meeting. Then here, like maybe if you want to send like a comment to what the presenter is doing, maybe you want to send a vote of thanks, maybe you have some other things you want to inquire, you can type in your message from this side. And here the host controls. If you're using these host control settings, it will help you control your meeting, and only the person hosting can control the meeting. Maybe you can share your screen, or you send the reactions, or turn on your microphone. That's what the host control does. So, and in case you want to send a reaction, you can click on this. Maybe you've seen the emojis and you want to send it anything. You click on it. Anything like the emojis you're sending, it's going to be shown on the screen. And we also have one thing left. If you want to share the screen, you can select here on the tabs on the Chrome screen, or you click on the window. And if you want to share, you click on share. When you've shared it, you've shared like the window. Anything maybe you're doing outside, no one is going to be able to see, because it's only your window that is being shown to people to see. So that is basically how a Google Map works. And if you're done with all this, we also have, maybe you want to change the backgrounds, you click on the settings, and maybe try seeing, you click on background and effects. Yeah, that is what is going to come up. Then you're going to see it here. You can choose the background that you want to use on this side. So when the meeting is done and you're sure everything is done, then you'll come and click here to leave the meeting. So it means everything is done. Or maybe you've done it unknowingly, you can rejoin from here. So thank you for watching my videos. In case of anything, you can drop your comments in the comment section. You can like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.